Challenging times, right? Especially if you're a parent. And challenging times call for mindful leadership skills, self-motivation, self-discipline, resilience, ability to solve problems, high levels of empathy, emotional intelligence. So, if you're a parent, are you curious how you can help develop these skills in your kids? Well, that's where positive discipline comes in. I'm Irene Cowling, and I'm a positive discipline parent educator. And I'm really delighted to be able to offer you an introduction to positive discipline in the form of a 60-minute free online interactive workshop. That's pretty tricky to say, but one of the key principles of positive discipline is having the courage to be imperfect. So I'm offering next Thursday, the 22nd of October at 10:30 Central European Summertime, because I'll be broadcasting live from Florence in Italy. If you're interested, please get in touch. My email is irenecowling.pd@gmail.com, and I'll send you the link because it'll be taking place on Zoom. There'll be several activities that will demonstrate just a few of the tools that are available from positive discipline concepts, and will help you understand at a deeper level what's effective for developing these kind of skills in your children and really what's not. So, hope to see you there.